And this question is given that a car is going due north at a 20 meter per second. So we can consider that this car was moving along this direction due north with a speed of 20 root 2 and turn towards right through an angle 90 degree. So it's make a right turn and still its speed is nothing but 20 root 2 without changing the speed. The change in velocity of car is Rm is to find out the value of change in velocity. We know that change in velocity is final velocity vector minus initial velocity vector. So final velocity vector is nothing but 20 root 2 minus the initial velocity vector is nothing but 20 root 2 along this direction. So we can find out what about the value of its change in velocity, that is final velocity vector plus negative of this vector, that is 20 root 2 in the opposite direction, because we know that a vector plus b vector is, or a vector minus b vector is nothing but a vector plus minus of b vector. So if you are going for triangle of addition, that is 20 root 2 and this 20 root 2. So this will be our resultant vector, let's say that is equal to r vector, and we can write the equation for this. This is equal to 20 root 2 into root 2, because we know that when two vectors of same magnitude and angle between them is 90 degree, then resultant is going to be root 2 times of a, or root 2 times of magnitude of that. So we can write 20 into root 2 is nothing but 2. So this is just 20 into 2 and we'll get the answer as nothing but 40. And if you are talking about its direction, so this direction we know that nothing but east, and this direction is nothing but south. So this will be along the southeast direction. So its magnitude is 40 and it is southeast direction. So it's not 20, it should be 40 and in southeast direction.